Hello everyone. Today is day 2 of the DIY salon reno. So yesterday I painted this wall behind me all white. It dried pretty good. I thought it was gonna be patchy, but it dried pretty good. And today we're gonna be doing the bathroom and the other side. The bathroom and the other side of the salon. Let me show you real quick. This is the other side. See, that's in white over there, and this is the like ugly, like mustard looking office building color, and then we're gonna be doing the bathroom, which I can't reach the switch, but you see it. Okay. So. Yeah. All right. So stay tuned, and thank you guys in advance for watching. Okay. All right. So today I did the bathroom and the opposite wall I did yesterday. And baby, that bathroom was tough. I got paint everywhere on my arm, on my scarf, on my legs, on my shoes, everywhere because the space is so small. I can't use my extender. And because I'm so short, I can't get to certain parts of the bathroom. So I need the extender, so it was very, very hard. But I think I got it done. When I went back in there, it was real patchy. It was ugly. So I might have to go in. I heard somebody knock. Okay, we're not open yet. So yeah, I would have to go in with a second coat on this wall and the bathroom, which seems normal considering the first wall I did go back and I put like a light second layer. So I finished another gallon, so that means that's 2 gallons that I've used, and I still have one wall, one main wall, the storage room, and the border of the door and the windows. So let me show you. I have to do this wall right here. It's really dirty, needs to be covered. And I have to do the border of the window and the door. And I have the storage room that I have to do. So I know I'm gonna need at least 2 more gallons of paint to finish. So now I'm debating. I don't know, what do you guys think? Well, by the time you see this video, it'll already be done. But I'm thinking I can paint this wall like a silver, because that's where the shampoo bowls are gonna be. And my furniture is black and silver, and I feel like silver is, not that dark. I don't wanna go dark. So I was thinking maybe do a silver on this wall and then use those tiles that some people put on their ceiling, the decorative ceiling tiles, and put it on that wall, because that's where my shampoo bowl is gonna be. I think it'll stand out. So that's a thought, but I don't know yet. All right, guys. So see you on the next video. Bye. All right, guys. So I decided to stop by Lowe's just to see what they have. And I probably can put one that, remember that back wall I was talking about? So well, the back wall that goes behind the shampoo bowls. Just wanted to see what are the options for stuff like that. So you're gonna come with me, and we're gonna check it out together. Saw it back here, I think. Or did I? No. No, I didn't. Let's keep looking. So these are the things I was talking about. So they samples, but I'm not sure if I even want this anymore. I don't even know. Let's just look. I don't know. The metal look. I don't know if I want my wall to look like a microwave wall. I don't know. No idea. I wish they had some with just glitter. That'd be so nice. Just some glitter. This is $5. This is one of the cheapest ones. It's $4.82 a square foot, and I'm probably gonna need like maybe 20 of those bad boys. Maybe, probably more. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Let me run it by the husband. He might get a little upset. I'm about to spend some extra money. But I'm kind of liking the tin look. I know it's weird. But I'm kind of liking the tin look. But we'll see. All right, you guys. Bye.